Good evening. My name is Gabriel Ajam. Um, I've just want to share a brief experience of what I learned during the graduate school. Although it's while I start on the note of ignorance. Let me say that because I really don't know the content of the school, so I I felt probably just a normal school for everyone just to go and come and get a book. A friend of mine, who is a guide to me, shared his experience for hand before I started the journey. So he told me some of the things I will need. That although it's challenging, but it was paying because um, of the price that is tagged to it. So I started the journey. I missed the first class, and so it was summer. But I just had to catch up and meet up with other demands. On the second day while we started class, I think I came late also or something like that because of this network issue. So I learned a lot today. Gather the mentor was open-minded. He made some corrections. He directed us as start which we need. He made it possible for everyone to be able to understand. Is as plain as possible so that now it won't be that we don't really know what we are going to meet. So he told us about what we need. He is open-minded and he guided us through as a mentor would do to his mentee. So he helped us to overcome a lot of obstacles due to his teaching and the principles and instructions he gave. Although, as you know, that before a man will fly, as pilot, they fly based on instructions. So he gave us some instructions that's needed for the development. And the thing I also learned from the guidance school is a sense of commitment from other guiders. Now, it's not that we're not really competing. Okay, I want to be this, I want to be no. We're not really competing to be a guide, but we work on hand in hand when something is not clear. Yeah, we ask questions, and people are really ready to give explanations. And yeah, and one of the things I've learned through that is sometimes life is not really about competition like that, but it's about it's about affecting lives and changing lives through one of the things that we need, even either money or any resources that's in our hands, even our time, our talent and gifts that we should contribute to the development of everyone. The development of everyone. The gadget school is also interesting, it's demanding, its prices, the price of data, the price of, but it cannot be compared to the gain that is ahead. Although not considering the gain I said during the course of our chat during today, that even if I don't become a guider, I at least I've learned a lot. I've been able to stretch my horizon in learning about finance, in learning about things that will change the course of humanity. And with that, I'm able to stand on a platform that um, this short 2 weeks or so, I'm able to be financially literate. So I'm able to give advices and comments on finances of people and whatever it seems might be what should be the way out. I should be able to do so. I'm happy I joined the class. I'm happy I joined the school. Thank you for the mentor Soniandre. So I thank you. I thank you the classes. Thank